Welcome to our EUHOMY Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two fantastic portable ice makers that are perfect for home use, camping, and RV adventures. Both models promise quick ice production and convenient features, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive in. Both ice makers are designed for efficiency, with the EUHOMY Ice Maker Countertop producing slightly more ice daily at 26.5 pounds, compared to the 26.3 pounds of the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker machines. While the difference is minimal, it may influence your choice depending on your ice needs. Both models excel in speed, producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This rapid ice-making capability makes them ideal for parties or gatherings where ice is needed quickly. Both ice makers feature a compact and portable design, making them easy to transport for outdoor activities or to fit in small kitchen spaces. They come equipped with carry handles for added convenience, ensuring you can enjoy ice wherever you go. In conclusion, both EUHOMY ice makers offer excellent features and performance for anyone in need of a reliable ice-making solution. The choice between them may ultimately come down to personal preference regarding slight differences in capacity and weight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.